So here today at Ramirez Detailz, we're going to show you how to install these little caps. They might not seem like much, but they're going to help. This is my rim right now. And then we're missing that. So we're going to put one on there to help air from leaking out. And here's the ones that we have on here right now, but these broke on the other side. So you just unscrew it, fairly simple. Gonna open our new package. And this is the reason why we get these. Because these little seals inside. So, with that, less air is going to come out. And they also change the appearance of your vehicle a little bit. Like I said, I used to have red. Now I'm rolling on the chrome ones. Here's the front tire with the red one. Here's the back one again. And here's the whole car. Can't really tell. But hey, it's those small details that make a difference. Okay, so we're going to replace them all. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You know, you just untwist it. I'm not even sure if these still have the seal in them or not. Looks like they do still have the seal in them. But that's alright, because those other two, like I said, they flew off somewhere. I'm not really sure. So this is why we're putting these on. But this is how you change your little caps for your valve stems. Super simple. I got these at Walmart. They were only like $2-3. Pretty nice. I gotta repaint my rims, but they match the car more a little bit. Cool. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thanks.